That's my sister. We're going to be fidget trading. Who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay. What do you have to? What do you want?
This.
That's what is
Squishy, duh.
Oh, guess I'll accept it. What should I trade? I don't know. She has all those fidgets. I don't know. I'm gonna trade my pop thing. This is a brand new thing, and that's
Accept.
Add one more thing. Add.
Decline.
Okay, I didn't really like it anyways. Okay, it's my go to trade. I'm gonna trade these magnet things. So yeah. What do you have to offer for that? Add. No, that's a good offer. Accept. Okay, I got those two. That's good. We're fake fidget trading, okay? We're not actually real trading. So, it's your go. Textured monkey noodle. I already have one, but there's a pink one. That and this rock paper thing. Fine. Okay. My go. I'm trading that. She already has one, but add one more thing. Except. Okay, those are my fidget shiny ones. Her fidgets. Okay, it's your go. Trading that. Just give you that. This. That's it. Sorry.
Add.
This.
Add. One more thing.
This. I think that was just a scam. Let's scam her. Legendary textured monkey noodle. Hasn't came out yet. It's really legendary. Please add.
I already have one.
Add. But this is legendary. That's not legendary. That's uncommon.
My fidget's leg.
This is really legendary. It's ultra rare and legendary. Please add.
I already have one.
It's an uncommon one. Please add. Add.
Decline.
Come back for part 2.